Hello, my name is Dante, and today I will be demonstrating how to use the aseptic technique when transferring bacteria cells from one broth tube to another. So let's get started. There are a couple household items I'm going to use for this demonstration. Firstly, starting with gloves. I just put gloves on just to show how important it is to use gloves in the laboratory in case of spills or any other accidents. There is an incinerator here, which is just a simple wax warmer that cuts on and off, but it gives the illusion of a fire. There is a inoculating loop here, which is just a simple household ink pen. I have two 8-ounce glasses here. One is labeled as my bacteria. In this case, it's E. coli. And then in my other glass here is just my broth tube. So let's get started. First, we're going to cut on our incinerator and take our inoculating loop. And we're going to sterilize it or flame it for 10 seconds. And with our non-inoculating loop hand, we're going to take our E. coli here sample, use our inoculating loop hand and grab the pinky with the lid and take it off, and we're going to flame the E. coli lid for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. We're going to take our inoculating loop here and we're going to get our sample on the tip of that, and then we're going to flame our tube 3 more seconds, and then we're going to put our lid back on here and then safely set it back down. Now our E. coli sample is on the tip of our inoculating loop, and then we're going to safely transfer this to our broth tube. It follows the same steps here. We're going to pick it up with our dominating hand here, and we're going to use our pinky finger of the inoculating loop and take off the lid, and then flame the top for 3 seconds, 2, 3, to make sure no other microorganisms are getting inside. And then we're going to safely place our E. coli bacteria inside, and then we're going to flame it for 3 more seconds, 2, 3, and then we're going to safely place our lid back on top, and then put our broth tube back down. Now what we just done, we've safely transferred a E. coli bacteria to the broth tube using sterilization to make sure no other microorganisms are inside and growing with it. Since bacteria is still on the tip of our inoculating loop, we're going to flame that for 10 seconds to sterilize it. 5, 6, 7,